Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make a song using Aitubo. In order to do so, here we are at app.aitubo.ai and we're all logged in. What we're looking for is on the left-hand side under Tools, you're going to find the AI Music Generator. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then here we have a variety of options to play with here on the left-hand side. So we have different models. Right now it is defaulting to the latest model, so we'll just leave it at that. Then here we have either simple mode or custom mode. So with simple mode, if we just want a basic idea of a song, then we can do something like here, a light jazz song for a walk in the rain. And that'll give you at least some idea of what we can do. Let's see, a light jazz song for a walk in the rain. And if we want this to have lyrics, we can leave this as is. If we want it to just be music only, then we can set this to instrumental music. And then let's just take a look at custom mode here really quick. So in custom mode, we can add our own title if we wish, and we can also specify the style of music. We have a variety of subcategories here to choose from. Let's go ahead and click on genre, and you can see here that we have a few options to choose from. Let's go ahead and select jazz. And under vibes, we can select what we want here. Let's go ahead and go with chill. And under tempos, we can either go slow, normal, fast. I think let's go with slow. And under instruments, we have our instruments that we can choose for this. So let's just go with piano, drums, bass, and saxophone. Why not? So then from there, we can enter in our title. Let's just call this a walk in the rain. Okay, then from here, we can go ahead and click generate. Now, keep in mind, this does say pro. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. And you can see here that in order to take advantage of Aitubo and to create a song, you do need the pro subscription. So that is the catch when it comes to Aitubo. It does have some really wonderful options. However, some of the more robust options are hidden behind the pro subscription. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.